Paraben-free. Head Shoulders Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo is paraben-free. Trusted brand. America's #1 dandruff shampoo brand, based on volume sales. Deep cleans. Infused with apple cider vinegar. Clarifies scalp and restore shine for healthy, flake-free hair. Visible flakes, with regular use. Safe for color-treated hair. Deep cleans and restores shine to hair. Shampoo plus conditioner system versus non-conditioning shampoo. America's #1 Dermatologist recommended brand now offers apple cider vinegar haircare products. Head Shoulders Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo is clinically proven to provide up to 100% dandruff protection while clarifying your scalp and restoring shine to your hair. Considered one of the best natural remedies for dandruff as well as one of the best natural remedies for dry hair and scalp, apple cider vinegar works to remove impurities, excess oils and buildup. This clarifying shampoo nourishes the scalp and hair from root to tip with regular use and restores shine to hair for a healthy and fresh look you'll love. Pair with our apple cider vinegar pre-wash rinse for best results. Visible flakes, with regular use. Top reviews from the United States. I highly recommend it. I was not sure but I loved it and I'm so happy with the deal I got for 2 big bottles of apple cider vinegar shampoo, and since I started to use it I have no more flaky hair. Thanks so much.